You can get to it.
Okay, we just came from the fire roads. This is me, Tomorrow. Welcome back. We're not doing a bell video. We're doing something different. It's called looking at all of the fire alarms in the school. This is going to take a very short time, of course. So I'm going to be cutting the video. In there, if you can see it, it is a 4903 9219. If I'm very sure there's a bell up there, I'll be reviewing that. We're going to be getting a very close look at it. Alright, let's get a better look at the 9219. There's two other alarms here. There's another 9219. There it is. Here's a 4037. It might be different, but they sound the same as the 4030. It's just on the wall, and there's a bell. And here's another 9219. And there's another 37. Another 9219. There's a couple smoke detectors, heat detectors up here. So yeah, that's good to know. Just a tidbit. It's good that I got that on camera, so I now don't have to worry about that. Here is a place where there used to be a pull station. Because they took down all the pull stations, mainly because if people were to pull down, it would cause too much of a ruckus. I'm gonna skip to the next one. We have a white MT. You're gonna be finding a lot of MTs in the school, mainly outside. So be warned. And an alarm that I'm going to show you, it's up here. Next to this very unfunctional bell, there is a no projector 4030. Wait, hold up. There's a no projector 330. We'll be skipping to the fire roads again. Here we have a projected 4030. And that's the next one. Here we have a white unprojected 4030. Some of the classrooms in the fire roads we have left. No strobe, by the way. But all the fire road buildings and rules all have MTs. So I'm going to be showing those. We have a projected 4030 near the theater. I did not know there was a bell over there. Over here we have an MT. Next to this used to be area bell. Thank you. Over here around this area there's a bell. I did not know that. I'm going to be recording that another time. You know, I just recorded everything. Here we have another torn down pull station. And 9219s. Here's one. Strobe. 4030. Oh, 9219. Over there. Let me go to it. 4030. Here lies a fire bell. Here's that bell I showed before. Here we have a Simplex mini horn. All the regular classes.